Hey everyone, hope you're ready. We are going to complete the identity that you see on your screen now, which is cosecant theta or cosecant x times the quantity of sine x plus cosine x or theta. So remember that completing the identity is basically implying that we want to simplify or, if possible, rewrite it as a single trigonometric expression. So if you could just get it down to one trig expression, that would be great. Are you always going to be able to do that? No, not always, but that's what we strive for. So one method I like to do is I like to always kind of start off by trying to rewrite everything without any denominator. And we don't have any denominator right now, so that's not really something we need to worry about. After that, something I tend to default to next, especially with beginners, like people who are new at this, is I will rewrite everything using just two ingredients, typically sine and cosine. Now, a lot of people love distributing. They can't help themselves. They see parentheses. It's like that don't press the red button. It's that desire of like, I'm going to press the red button. So I know you might want to distribute. I might not do that right away. I don't know. It depends. But I'm going to try to be regimented and like stick to a routine. So right here, I'm going to rewrite cosecant as 1 over sine theta using my reciprocal identities. And then I'm leaving this as sine theta plus cosine theta right over there. Now, writing it like that can sometimes help you create a plan when it comes to the distribution, and you might be able to kind of clean things up as you distribute. So I kind of see like a little opportunity here. Like, yeah, I can definitely, while distributing, clean it up as I go. So I'm going to multiply 1 over sine theta to both terms right there. 1 over sine theta times sine theta. Well, what does that equal? Hopefully we all know it's 1 because it's sine theta over sine theta. Could you write sine theta over sine theta and the next step write 1? You can, but I don't know, if you're a little more confident and more experienced, that's okay. That's a step you can skip because I feel like, we've supported it enough by writing that we know in fact what cosecant is and that we're distributing. So there you go. Plus this cosine theta over here is really over a 1, and we're going to multiply that by the 1 over sine theta. So multiply your tops and your bottoms, your numerators and your denominators. That means you're looking at cosine theta over sine theta. I don't really need to write that 1, either of the ones anywhere. They're just not necessary, right? From here, I'm going to have really just 1 plus cotangent theta. And although you might be like, oh, Pythagorean identity, it's not. You guys got to become really disciplined in knowing that 1 plus cotangent theta is only a Pythagorean identity when the cotangent theta is squared. It doesn't apply if it's not squared, okay? It's set a certain way. And there's really not much more I can do with this. I mean, it might look like you could go somewhere with it, but I promise you're going to kind of go in circles. This is really as clean as you're going to get it. If you have another idea, another suggestion, tip, approach, thought, go ahead, put that in the comment section down below. If you understand what I did there and you believe me and you feel pretty okay, then go ahead, give the video a thumbs up. If you hate it, don't understand it, give the video a thumbs down. And if you're ready for another one, just click through on the thumbnail for the next example. And I hope you're feeling at least a little bit smarter after this video. Adios.